Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how to draw
Ice cream cone.
ice cream in a cone. Yes, and this ice cream is gonna be cute. Really, yes. We'll start with the cone. The cone will be V shape, okay? So as you would write V but slightly bigger. Are you ready? Right. So we'll make 3 dots. 1, 2, next to it, no. There, okay? So 2, and third one will be down here in the middle of these two. There, okay? Now connect these 3 in a V shape, okay? With the straight lines. Okay, good girl. Now you need to draw a wavy line, yeah? Starting here, ending here, okay? So it'll be connected, right? So curved line there, and now all the way curved line there. Okay. Now this line will carry on up here, curved line again, and same with this line. Like that. Now we'll copy this wave in here, and we'll start here and finish here. Okay, so wave like that. Good. And again, curved line to carry on, curved line on this one as well. Again, copy the wave just like that. Good. And this time we need to make the finish of the ice cream, okay? So if you make a dot just above here, no, you don't have to be in the middle, it can be on the side, okay? So yeah, just make dot there. Okay, now we'll connect this end with this dot with a curved line like this, and show me. Okay, that's fine. So you will start here now, okay? So it will be wave line ending here, okay? We could round this first, round little bit, okay? Now wave line just like that. The ice cream itself is finished, but now it needs eyes and mouth. So eyes will be just here, circle 1 and 2. The mouth will be here. So starting here like that, and it will have open mouth, so it will be just like that. Okay, good. Now we'll make his teeny tiny tongue just with the curved line like that. Good. Now we're gonna color it in. We can make all sort of colors that you like. This will be, what color the cone will be? Brown. Shall we do it brown? So we'll make it brown. You can also make a mesh to make a cone structure. Okay, so we'll start from making a mesh. So I'll choose this color, for example. So the mesh will look like that. Right, very nice. It looks beautiful and cute. High five. Great. So guys, this is how we draw cute ice cream.
Ice cream cone.
With a cone, yes. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Keep watching us. More videos coming up. Thank you guys. Bye.